Hello, my name is Haocheng, and today I'll be presenting my research project, which is on the optimization and effective prevention of information leakages in blind box. So before I start, I'd like to introduce what is a middle box. A middle box is essentially a network device that can manipulate, inspect, and filter incoming traffic from the network. Some common middle boxes include a firewall, which basically protects your computer from hostile contents. And currently, many middle boxes today implement something called man-in-the-middle model, which essentially allows the mailbox provider to just break down traffic in the middle and learn of the content inside the packets. And this is a severe breach to user privacy, and this is what we call leakage. So now I'd like to introduce blind box. Blind box is essentially a new type of mailbox, and it prevents against the leakage that I was talking about before. So what blind box does is that by using new encryption schemes and new filtering schemes, it only leaks the location or the offset of the data in a packet rather than the actual data itself. And this makes it much more reliable and much more secure than the man-in-the-middle model. So why is my research important? Currently, blind box has a token generation algorithm known as sliding window, and this is highly inefficient as it generates a ton of leakage. So what I did was that I replaced the token generation algorithm with algorithms of my own that I came up with. So now what I did, I introduced something called set cover, which is essentially using subsets to cover a whole set. And I also used something called interval cover, which is a hybrid of the other two algorithms. And by using these new algorithms, I was able to reduce the amount of leakage of blind box, which makes it more reliable and more secure and increases the performance of blind box as a whole. Before the project, I did have a lot of challenges to go through. For example, one of them was that I did not understand the middle box workings internally and how blind box worked as a whole. And I had a little understanding of how the network model was and how information was sent throughout the network. However, there was stuff that I didn't know before starting the project, and one of them was data structures and algorithms. This is a huge part in the project as I had to write new algorithms such as set cover and interval cover in order to reduce the number of leakage. And my previous knowledge in data structures and algorithms really came in handy. And another part that I didn't know was how to code in Java. I had extensive training in Java and C++ coding, and this really helped when I was setting up the software for the algorithms to run in. Thank you so much for listening to my research presentation, and I hope that you have a great day.